we will copy the content of previous example and we'll create one more new example, 23 JSTL. In new example, just paste these files and let's open this example 23 JSTL. First of all, I just want to show you the header and the index, info and profile JSP pages. And in this example, you try to learn the C import tag. So we are going to repeat this step, but this time we are just using the resource which is part of your application. Suppose the header.jsp, and in rest of your JSP pages like info JSP, I replace this include directive with the JSTL tag import. Again, don't forget to write the taglib directive in your JSP page. Info JSP and profile JSP also contains the taglib directive. Only after including the taglib directive you can be able to access the import, which is a JSTL tag. Now I just want to run this example and demonstrate you 23. So you can simply access the index.jsp, and this time you can see that the JSTL tag is working properly. For demonstration, I'm making some changes here. Suppose caret sign. So the header part is changed, and because in rest of your JSP pages you are including the header using the same import tag, so you can be able to see the changes. So let's start with index.jsp, 23 JSTL index.jsp. You can see the difference. Okay, now open the info.jsp. Again, you are able to see the changes we made in profile JSP. Yes, the changes are reflected in our pages. This time we are going to learn a new tag, and that tag name is param. So instead of creating a singleton tag, I just want to create the closing tag separately. C import closing tag, and here comes the C param tag. C param tag, a singleton tag, and I just wrapped this C param tag inside the C import tag. Earlier we used the C import as a singleton tag, but now we are using the C import tag as a doubly tag, which has its opening tag and separate closing tag. And inside the import opening closing, I created C param tag, and there are two attributes, name and value. So C param says that we are creating parameters, right? The parameter name and the parameter value. So just type the parameter name. Suppose I said color. For demonstration purpose, I just specified some parameter name and the value, blue. Now how this param tag is helpful. So let's open the header.jsp page, and in h1 tag I just typed attribute style, and inside style attribute you can write the CSS. Alright, so I specified color CSS property, and CSS properties value is an EL. In this EL I just typed param, which is an EL implicit object, and dot the parameter name, which is color. What was the value? Blue. Okay, now Control Z. So I'm just writing the parameter here. See, you can see the param dot color. Now let's try this example once again, index.jsp. So just refresh this part. Why this is not working properly? Let's check it out. Index.jsp. So where you made the change, we made the change only in profile JSP. So let's copy this content and paste it into the info page, info JSP and index.jsp. Right, so you made the changes in all the JSP pages of your application. You are including the header.jsp, and now you will be able to see the change. Refresh it. You can see the header part is in blue color. Suppose you want to access the info JSP, again in blue color. Suppose we made changes in color property. This is the index.jsp, and I typed yellow. And in info JSP, if you specified the value red, and inside the profile JSP green. Now one by one we will access the pages. First of all, index page, index.jsp. The header part is in yellow color. The same header is included in all the remaining JSP, but the color is specified individually. You can see that the info JSP page is red, the header color is red, and the profile in green color. Now you can use multiple param tag with import. So in another param tag, I specified name text and the value is hello. This change is made in index page. In info page, we'll repeat this step. We created another param, write the text parameter name and hi, and in profile JSP once again I created a param and we just typed welcome. Now how will you use this parameter inside the header? So you are supplying the extra information for this header JSP from different pages. After that header, I just want to type the value. So param is the EL implicit object, and this time we are trying to access the text parameter. So you can see that the parameter name was text, so I'm using the text parameter name here. Let's try it again. So start with the index.jsp, index.jsp. In index.jsp header @ and then caret, then hello. But in info.jsp we said hi, and in profile.jsp you said welcome. The rest of the part of the header is same. By using the param tag, you can specify some extra details to your included JSP, right? So see you in next video with new tags.